How to link your Snapchat to your Facebook profile. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Snapchat application in your mobile device, and just like that, log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon. Then inside here, you need to go and simply tap on the settings like icon. Now select my account, then select username and copy your username. After that, once you have copied your username, head back to your home screen and then open up your Facebook application. Just like that, log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon, then select your profile from here. Now once you're inside here, select edit profile right over here and then scroll below. Now tap on add beside links and then simply tap on add new link. After that, select Snapchat and then you need to go and simply paste the username that you have just copied, then tap on save. Now go back to your Facebook profile. Now anyone who visits your profile will be able to easily access your Snapchat by tapping on this option. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.